Market's getting hammered. What's next? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, the 27th of January. And it is no surprise that the markets are getting spanked. We talked about that last Monday in the call. We talked about it all week, that the markets were extremely overbought and that they were due for a huge sell-off. Well, we had a sell-off Friday. It followed through. Now we're starting to see a little bit of a rally back, but the S&P is still down 130 points. The NASDAQ is still down 800. So again, this could go anywhere. I think the big key to watch here is the VIX. The VIX is up 40%. But again, this has done no damage overall to the actual chart. The markets are really just back to the mean. So I would not expect much. The NASDAQ overnight did get oversold, but is now bouncing back to the mean. So again, don't start running in and panicking. This is a time to relax and take a deep breath and look at the markets. In the meantime, we're flat all the major indices. As we flattened out, as you know, last Friday. In the dollar, we don't trade anymore, but it is lower and we would be short. The euro currency is higher. We are long. The bonds and notes are running big. We are long both of those. This should be getting very close to an opportunity to get out and reverse. Bitcoin is down, but it has come back substantially. It's cut its losses in half. It was down to 95,000. Now it's back to 101. We're still flat. Gold is lower. We're short. Silver is lower. We're flat. Copper's lower, we're flat. The grain markets are down across the board. We're short corn, we're short beans, flat wheat. Cattle continues to run now. Again, it isn't open yet this morning, but I did sell at $2, as I told you. Again, we don't trade anymore in hogs. I'm still looking for that 80 level to become a buyer. Crude is under a little bit of pressure and lower. We're short, and natural gas is much lower, and we are short as well. Again, this is not a green light to get panic or start to sell. I think you need to look and watch and see if you can find some good opportunities. But overall, also let some of this volatility play out and try to find a reason to buy or a reason to sell, depending on what the market is doing at the time. And remember our sponsors, TRADIER Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, ITM Trading, Spooky Express for your sporting and sports betting needs, and of course our high school program. And until tomorrow, this is Bubba's Daily Update.